next time you're trying to brainstorm some ideas with your class, instead of using sticky notes and a piece of paper, try using Padlet. This online digital bulletin board is a great way to interact with students as they collect ideas, share resources, embed links, share photos, and even embed videos. So to use Padlet, one of the ways you can find it is through the Salem School District site, our technology resources. That is linked over on the main page here under technology resources. And you can go to the Interactive Whiteboard Resources and scroll down to find Padlet. And if you click on the crown, it'll bring you to their website. I'm already logged in, but I would suggest signing up for an account. It is free, and if you do have an account, it allows you to save your Padlet. So if you're interrupted in the middle of a lesson and you need to get back to it later, it is saved for you. If you don't create an account, it will not save it. Every time you log in, it brings you here to your dashboard. But if you want to see all the Padlets you've created, you can click on Padlets, and you can see the 6 Padlets I've created so far. But if I wanted to create something new, you can come over here to the plus sign and you start creating a new Padlet. On your left-hand side, or right-hand side, I'm sorry, here is your toolbar, and you're going to begin by modifying your wall. And you can work from the left to the right to get started. First thing you can do is choose a small icon. This image just is associated with your wall. You can pick something fun. Or you can even add a picture that you already have in your computer. You can give your Padlet or your wall a title. What I read this summer. And then if you wanted to change your wallpaper, you don't like this boring background, you can click over here and choose a different wallpaper. Again, you can upload a photo from your computer, or they have several options to choose from. Once you've found a background you like, you can start adding to your wall. Simply have to double click and it brings up a digital post-it note. Now, when you do this with the interactive whiteboard projector, keep in mind on the left-hand side, your keyboard will pop up. Just drag it out. You will have to tap again on the screen to make sure your sticky note and your cursor is in place. So I'm going to start typing in, and I read Paper Towns this summer. I could even add an image, upload a file, or even take a photo from the webcam by any of these links on the bottom. Or I can have another student come up. They're going to add in that they read Wonder this summer. You can keep adding. Now, if you ever need to modify your wall, over here, this widget icon, anytime you lose that toolbar, you can click on that and it brings it back. You can change the layout of your sticky notes. Right now, mine are in free form. Maybe I want them to be one below the other, or to line them up in a grid. You can also share or export your Padlet when you're done. You can send it by email. Maybe you want to use this embed code and put it on your website. You can save it as a PDF, print it out, or share it. Anytime that you have to stop, you can go back to your home page. And again, if I come up to my Padlets up here, click on it, you can see it is automatically saving it for me. So this is a great tool to try with your students to get them interacting with the whiteboard projector. I'm curious to see what everyone else can come up with for great Padlets to share and work with their class. Have fun!